demon by no means, but it'll get where she's going. I like it. It's got old gas in there. We gotta get that shit out. This is how I gotta steer for right now. Gotta grab it, pull it. Then she comes with me. Oh, here I gotta go. Well, if the transmission will hold up, she'll flex. But it done gone to sleep on me. But that one was already broke anyway. I broke it when I bolted it back together. Because I didn't have something quite right in there. And I didn't really care because I got like 9, so. But it got in a bind, started climbing up through there, and pow, good night. She's sleepy now. She is sleepy. I know for a fact that the transmission is going to hold up to them 40s because with it being broke, the aluminum housing being shattered, it drug from there to there. Didn't roll the tires. I know it broke just because before I even started, it was busted right here, right across the bottom. And then when it got in a bind rolling forward, it just pushed down into it and shattered everything. But even now, she ain't loosening up. She ain't giving up. She's fighting a good fight. I hear you, girl. Your time is up, little Tecumseh. The beauty of it is, everything inside there is still good. Just the case is no good. Completely broke 1/2 of the transmission off. Nice. Raw torque, baby. Do it, girl. I'm either going to steal mine, or the one up there, or the one over there. I got a bunch. Probably just going to steal mine because it's right there. Update. The 4-wheel drive lawnmower is on fire. Fucking burn it down. The lawnmower is on fire. JK LOL, just poured all the old gas on the concrete and just going to let it burn. Maybe it won't make my concrete explode. Who knows? If it does, darn. If it doesn't, cool. Ooh, fire tornado! Oh man, that was badass. It's still badass. Oh, my gloves. Get out of there. Oh, it's too late for you. Yeah, real good gas should have just poof. That was done. Oh, and that's how it lit. That's exactly what it sounded like. It's terrible.